Bulk Bags Manufacturing Co., Limited,
has been focusing on providing packaging solutions since its establishment. It currently serves many well-known domestic enterprises and cooperates with many excellent partners around the world. The company is also engaged in export business in Africa, Southeast Asia, and other regions. Since its establishment, the company has always adhered to the business principles of talent-based and integrity-based. Its management aims to provide each partner with competitive cooperation options to promote its business development and expansion. Container bag is a flexible transportation packaging container suitable for shipping bulk granular materials. It is widely used in the transportation and packaging of powdery granular and block products such as food, grain, medicine, and mineral products. Container bags are often used as packaging products for transportation and storage. With its large capacity, this bag is suitable to store and transport various materials. Our advantages are as follows. 1. Support customization. Concentration to container bag, professional customization, and provide competitive services and guarantees. 2. Quality service. We prioritize honesty, integrity, and kindness in treating others. 3. Active demand in Europe, America, and Asia. Fulfilling promises is above all else, and on-time delivery and strict quality control are our production guidelines. We have been partners with well-known enterprises at home and abroad for many years. We support full customization. If you are interested in our products, please let us know.